Good afternoon, everybody. Today we have a Jeep Cherokee 2019 Sport. Customer complaint is no start. Scan I did showed no communication to transmission, to power steering, and a few other modules. I did a bunch of work on this car, and about half an hour later, we have discovered that the engine doesn't have a ground. Now, I don't know how common that problem is, but you can see right down there, the ground cable is busted. Symptoms, like I said, no communication to transmission, no communication to power steering, no communication. Basically, the engine computer has like 23 codes, 4 codes for the solenoids, which is very important. And this is the solution. If you have 30 codes in your engine computer, come here.